CHZ explicitly faces our position at 20 cents, or so they basically thought. CHZ down roughly 0.24% inside the sort of very most recent 24 hours in a really significant manner. CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA 20 in an extremely kind of significant way. Chilliz in every practical sense basically shows negative force over the course of the end of the week in a truly significant manner. 30 November 2023, in this video we will in a real sense generally walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and in every way that really matters, most certainly attempt to answer these habitually truly got clarification on some things, facts, what actually explicitly is momentary cost expectation for Chilliz. Essentially is CHZ a pretty especially wise speculation, sort of an opposition to mainstream thinking. Chilliz support and opposition levels and so forth, or so they especially thought. In any case, prior to plunging entirely profound into the CHZ specialized examination, by and large, let us certainly discuss the by and large current economic situations, which generally in every practical sense is very critical. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there especially was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,422,755,320,117. Pretty further appearance, how Chilliz support and obstruction levels, and so on in a very in every practical sense, huge way, which by and large is genuinely critical. The complete exchanging volume entirely remains at $43,447,319,572 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 51.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. Which in every way that really matters, explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $37,779.77 level after a decay of 0.07%, which in a real sense is very huge. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 0.42%, coming to $2,042.78 during the past 24 hours in a significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $227.55, following a value change of 0.12% inside a similar time period. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $227.55, following a value change of 0.12% inside a similar time period, in a reasonably truly significant manner. XRP, the very certainly local coin of XRP by and large, is somewhere near 0.56 and presently exchanging at 60 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, Solana came to $59.77 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.17% in esteem, which especially is genuinely critical in an unobtrusive manner. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market generally is going in a really descending heading for extremely transient in a sort of significant manner. Right now, a general negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an especially huge manner. Chilliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction especially are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly recognize fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which basically is very critical. Support sort of by and large is a level at which purchasers for the most part in every practical sense become certainly more extremely dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Showing how support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers sort of become essentially basically more sort of dynamic and entirely prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which sort of in a real sense is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition sort of is a level at which vendors fundamentally sort of become moved genuinely dynamic and essentially most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so on in a very huge manner. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, CHZ, fundamentally is at $0.073, down 0.24% in the beyond 24 hours, and basically has a value change of 1.18% throughout the week. Exhibiting how Chilliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized pointers used to really recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, or so they especially thought, or so they thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC entirely is 35,924,424.00 United States dollars, while in every way that really matters, for the most part all out, market cap came to $558,305,057 United States dollars, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking in a sort of significant manner. There generally are practically 7,655,073,480 entirely are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, or so they in every way that really matters, thought, which is very huge. Chilliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Investigation for 30 November 2023, inside a truly everyday time period for the most part made sense of underneath, exhibiting that XRP, the sort of commonly local coin of XRP, especially for the most part is somewhere near 0.56 and presently exchanging at 60 cents, really in spite of mainstream thinking. We utilize genuinely relative strength INDEX RSI, moving genuinely normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense, straightforward moving in every way that really matters, all things considered. Normal, SMA, and dramatic moving truly normal, EMA, to sort of examine the future development of the Chilliz, exhibiting that 30 November 2023. In this video, we will fundamentally walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now, or for genuinely 1 week from now, and most certainly in a real sense attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified some things, facts. What truly is certainly momentary cost expectation for Chilliz, essentially basically is CHZ and actually most certainly wise venture, which in a real sense is very huge. The by and large relative strength file, RSI, for CHZ coin especially generally is presently floating at 28 for 14 days reasonably fundamentally normal line, which in every practical sense implies CHZ for the most part is in oversold zone. And a pattern truly lovely inversion explicitly especially is really conceivable in a kind of huge manner. The Chilliz generally has certainly break all it certainly essentially upholds levels and things explicitly in a real sense are not looking truly great for the crypto market, which truly shows that CHZ especially faces obstruction at 20 cents in a significant manner. At present, sort of basically bears especially are in charge of the market and effectively in a real sense by and large take CHZ cost underneath the urgent help level of 17 cents, which for the most part generally shows that Chilliz Value Examination CHZ cost examination for 30 November 2023, inside and in every practical sense, in every way that really matters. Day-to-day time period generally made sense of beneath, exhibiting that XRP the entirely local coin of XRP especially is somewhere near 0.56 and as of now exchanging at 60 cents in a for the most part especially enormous manner amazingly. The CHZ United States dollar moving pretty normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, marker sort of by and large, is showing an essentially present moment generally sell sort of sign, as the MACD line for the most part is moving beneath lovely sign line which generally implies, especially bears especially are overwhelming on the lookout,